How to view private account on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let me guide whether we can view private account on Instagram or not. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch Instagram and sign into your account. Tap search icon at bottom right and search for the private account which you want to view. So this is the private account and there is no post available. So you need to know that you cannot view a private Instagram account unless the owner approves your follow request. Instagram's privacy settings are designed to protect users, and there is no legitimate way to bypass them. Instead of that, what you can do is the best and most ethical way is simply to send a request by tapping on the follow button and tap on automatically confirm. So the follow back request will be automatically confirmed and you need to wait for approval until they approve your request. Once they approve your request, you can easily view their Instagram account. So second way is you can have mutual followers, so they might share some posts with you. You can ask a mutual friend and then view their private account. Sometimes public accounts tag the private account in posts which may give some insights, so you can look for tag photos. So you need to be aware of fake private viewer tools. Websites or app claiming to let you see private profiles are scams, so they may steal your login details or install malware on your device. So I hope this guide was informative. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment on this channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.